Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. Force restart could be useful if something is not working properly on your watch. Maybe the watch is a bit sluggish, or something is not displaying, or maybe something is lagging or not opening. You can try to force restart your watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. So to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about 10 seconds. I would say 10 or 15 seconds. Basically, keep holding it until the watch turns off or until you see the HONOR logo on the screen. So if the watch turns off, oh, here we have it. Not HONOR logo, the welcome screen, my bad. And once you see the welcome message, you can release the button, and after a few seconds, the watch will reboot, basically. And that's how you force restart this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.